Is your WhatsApp calls not showing on your iPhone's call log? This can happen due to app settings, permissions, or software issues. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp calls not appearing in the call log issue. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Sync Contacts. Go to the Settings app, then scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps. Now find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. After that, tap on Contacts. Select Full Access. Solution 3. Offload WhatsApp app. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Now check whether the problem is solved or not. And that's how you can solve the WhatsApp calls not appearing in the iPhone call log issue. If you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.